All right, what's up, everybody? I'm gonna break down what I saw today in the markets that led me to take SPY puts and Tesla puts before close. Futures currently down, Nasdaq 1.4% and SPY 0.8%. So these puts are looking good for tomorrow. Tesla's also down nearly 3% pre-market. I think we could see 800 tomorrow, which is where our puts are, and those will definitely make some good money if we see them down there. So first of all, I want to talk about SPY. So ES1, ES is just a futures derivative of SPY. So right here around 1251, we can see a bunch of SPY puts being bought for 520 at the 403 strike, and they're above ask, which usually means they're being bought. Here you can see 4 million, 2 million, 1.6 million, 3.25 million, 443K. And that is why I took these puts. And around 12 o'clock, so these puts were actually bought somewhere around here at this big 4280 line, which has been a pretty big level for a while now. And we also did double top at this level right here, which can also serve as a supply zone. And not only that, but we did have Apple and Amazon reporting earnings today. Amazon is down 8% after hours, and Apple is down 2.2%. Apple also saw about $3 million, actually no, $1.5 million put sweep that came in a little bit before market close. So there was a big better betting on Apple going down after their earnings. And that is also another reason why I exited those call credit spreads that we had. When I see those big put sweeps, I lose confidence in those plays. So SPY saw those big orders, about 6 million worth, come in at this big 4280 level. As you see, we did double top around 4300, which 4300 is a big psychological level. Amazon did miss earnings, that's why they're down a lot. Apple beat, but they're also down after hours. And I think we'll continue to see more downside into tomorrow. I think we see at least a retest of this 42.15 level, which if we check on SPY, that's around the 420 area. If we see that, our puts will probably go and do 100% gain. And next up is Tesla. So Tesla was super weak all day today. Obviously, we had QQQ had a huge run today, 3.5%. That's a ridiculous move to the upside. And Tesla finished the day red. And Tesla's been hasn't been too good this week for the bulls, mostly because, first of all, the pattern on the chart. We take a look at that on the 1 day. It's a very simple channel. We did form like a base here near the top of this channel. So we rejected the top of the channel, came down, we based. We did gap up after earnings, and then we continued to come down. So out of this base, we did see a move to the downside, which is what I was looking for. But not only the pattern, but Elon Musk, buying Twitter. There's rumors that he's going to be selling stock to fund that move. And that's making a lot of investors freak out. And not only that, but this selling might actually be him selling his shares. So I'm seeing continued weakness in this name. Bottom of the channel is around 500-ish. And right now we're sitting at 877, but we were really weak today. I saw a retest of this little consolidation level we had yesterday before the big move down, which can serve as sort of a supply zone right here. Pretty much all this right here that we did retest. First move down is going to see 821, which we're nearly there. We're at 853 already. Once we see a retest of 821, under that we can definitely see 800, which is another big level on the 1 hour. 800 level right here, use that support here. It supported us. Here, support. Then under 800, we could really see a big move down to the 700-ish level. So the 800 level is really the biggest level, psychological level, and I think we see it tomorrow. And if we break down under that, I think we see a pretty big move to the downside tomorrow. Of course, it all depends on the market. If the market is weak, like it is looking in after hours, I think this is going to be the leader to the downside. And our puts will pay very nicely if we do see 800 tomorrow morning. And that's pretty much it. Let's have a good day tomorrow. Finish the week strong.